The upcoming Galaxy S24 Ultra could see Samsung finally bring back a flat screen to its flagship phone, with nearly months left to go before the release of the Galaxy S24 series. Samsung still has some time left to play around with the design, albeit it looks like Samsung is considering several designs at the moment. And the info shared by GoToLeaker for the Samsung leaks, Ice Universe indicate that the Galaxy S24 Ultra front design is going to change slightly. According to a series of posts and hastily put together renders shared by ICE, it looked like the Galaxy S24 Ultra will have a flat screen symmetrically, but slightly thicker bezels and a tailored aspect ratio for those who have not stayed up to date. Samsung has been using flat screen for the base and plus variants ever since the Galaxy S21 series was launched. However, the curved display was always exclusive to the Ultra variant, but this might change with the S24 Ultra next year. And if it's true, this will be a big news because Samsung is the company responsible introducing the curved screen in the first place. The Galaxy S23 Ultra has a flatter side frame than the Galaxy S22 Ultra. According to latest render post by Ice Universe on the Galaxy S24 Ultra, side frame will resemble that of prototype of the Z Fold 5 that was displayed at the Samsung Research and the Development Design Center in the South Korea. Last month, this appeared to indicate that the side frame will be a little rounder, and this could make the Galaxy S24 Ultra look a little wider. The Galaxy S23 Ultra might be one of the finest phone around, but not everyone is a fan of its slightly curved screen. I think the next generation will have a flat screen, but that make the side bezel stand out more. The display is still expected to be 6.8 inches inside, but it could have a high resolution of 1414 by 3120 pixels and a narrow aspect ratio of 19.5 to 9. The phone dimension might also change, meaning it could be somewhat shorter but wider and thinner based on this data. The Galaxy S24 Ultra will have a thicker bezels. While we can't confirm if the Galaxy S24 Ultra is going to have a flat display, it makes sense from a durability standpoint. However, what does not make sense is why Samsung will take away one of the defining features of the Ultra series. So we will have to wait and see it turn out. Remember, the base and plus variant are set to ship with flat display and flat side, where the Ultra variant is said to have a titanium frame. This is all the information in the term of the design we have so far. We still don't know whatever the Galaxy S24 Ultra will have a flat screen, but I am really looking forward to see how Samsung handles the whole thing. From all the rumors so far, the Galaxy S24 Ultra could pack meaningful improvement over the S23 Ultra to deliver a better user experience. So stay tuned to channel for all latest updates.